How to change the oil and drain the gas. The video content is structured in 2 parts. You will need the following tools before starting. Drain the engine oil. Loosen the oil drain plug counterclockwise. Tilt the machine to drain the oil. Drain the engine oil into a container. After draining completely, place the machine horizontally and tighten the oil drain plug clockwise. Oil draining is complete. Open the fuel valve to on position. Use a 10 mm wrench to loosen the carburetor drain bolt counterclockwise. Remove the fuel drain bolt and drain the gasoline into a container. After draining completely, reinstall the carburetor bolt. Tighten the drain bolt clockwise. Gasoline draining is complete.